What's the meaning of attendance allowance? Attendance allowance. Attendance allowance.
Attendance allowance. Attendance allowance. An attendance allowance is a type of financial benefit provided to individuals who require assistance with their daily living activities due to a disability or illness. The allowance helps cover the additional costs associated with such care, such as hiring a caregiver or purchasing specialized equipment. The amount and eligibility criteria vary depending on the country or region. For example, in the UK, attendance allowance is a tax-free benefit for those over 65, while in Japan, individuals with severe disabilities can receive up to 40,000 yen per month for attendance support.